I'm really excited about today's video because I get to talk to you about a topic that's truly near and dear to my heart. No, it's not about lectins. Nah, not exactly anyway. And it's not even olive oil, but you absolutely should be eating plenty of olive oil each day. No, I'm here to tell you about a brand new project of mine, one designed to make the Plant Paradox lifestyle simple and fun for anyone. Yes, even people who work more than full-time jobs, people who don't know a ton about cooking, and even people with families. How? Well, I'm combining all the health-supporting properties of the Plant Paradox program with brilliant time-saving hacks from some of the best meal prep resources out there. And the result is a brand new cookbook scheduled to be released this January, the Plant Paradox Quick and Easy. Yep, it's designed to get even simpler than the Plant Paradox cookbook, but just as delicious. And whether you're someone who wants to get started at the Plant Paradox program, someone who got a little derailed from the plan, holidays will do that, or someone who loves a challenge, this book's for you. You see, it's more than just a cookbook. It's a comprehensive, thorough, easy to follow 30-day menu plan designed for people who live busy modern lives. Not only does it include never-before-seen recipes, including a fudgy chocolate cake that'll blow your mind, and the most seductive, pan-fried, addictive artichokes, and it's designed to help make mealtime sane again. You see, the Plant Paradox Quick and Easy is more than a cookbook. It's a cookbook plus meal plan, plus shopping guide, plus meal prep tips, all in one. I like to think of it as a worry-free Plant Paradox jumpstart. And that's important because more people than ever dread putting dinner on the table, especially after a long day at work. So having every resource possible at your fingertips is essential to your health. Like I said, I'm really excited about this project because I know how many lives it can change and how many people are going to see their health transformed because of it. So, if you're ready to take the Plant Paradox 30-day challenge with me, it's a 30-day health transformation. If you want to learn how to make mealtime easier, or if you need a spark to kick off a healthy lifestyle, stay tuned. You see, the Plant Paradox Quick and Easy could be just the momentum you need to take that next step in your health journey. Or maybe you just want that killer lectin-free chocolate cake recipe. Want a sneak peek inside the book? Follow my Instagram account. I'll be posting photos of some of my favorite recipes, from rich, creamy soups to one-pan meals that make cleanup a breeze. I'll even be talking about some of my favorite all-time ingredients, even convenience foods you can find in the freezer section, or with the prepared veggies section in your local store. So make sure to follow my Instagram account at Dr. Stephen Gundry, one word, and check your local favorite bookstore to find out when they'll be getting the Plant Paradox Quick and Easy in stock. You can even join my 30-day challenge if you need even more motivation. Details will be coming soon on my Instagram account because I'm Dr. Gundry and I'm always looking out for you.